this is going to be a video tutorial on how to make Firefox your default web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Firefox web browser opened up now. To make Firefox your default web browser, it's very easy to do. There's a few different ways to do it. The way that I'm going to show you, you want to go up to the upper right hand corner and click on the 3-bar hamburger menu. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side, I am under the General tab. And right here in the center pane, it says Firefox is not your default web browser. There's a button off to the right here, Make Default. I'm going to click on Make Default. Now it says Firefox is currently your default browser. That is how to make Firefox your default browser on a PC. Thanks for watching.